going. He's sticking his tongue out. He's sticking his tongue out. He's trying to do it. He knows we're doing that. He's trying to get the ceiling. He's trying to hit the ceiling.
Go get Jackson.
Jackson!
Woo!
Attacked us.
This one just came down and attacked the window.
I know, I saw it.
He's like, okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's good. He's like, what's going on? What should I do next?
And he's thinking, what should I do next?
It looks like he has a mitten on.
How are we going to freak out the humans today?
I know. He's sticking his tongue out. He's sticking his tongue out.
He like smiles. He's like,